doing? That's
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm gonna wrap this.
What are you doing?
There's a butterfly, right? There's a butterfly.
Going down.
There's butterflies.
Uh-huh.
Elm,
Huh?
remember that drown thing?
Yeah.
You had that tape with me wrapped in it.
Yep. What are you doing, Kev?
Nothing.
You're gonna tip that over is what you're gonna do.
I'm the only one that's having fun.
Woo, Brent!
Coming down.
Are you swimming? Are you swimming? Ah. Don't. If this camera wet, I'll kick your butt.
I just wanted to go on tape.
There's Heather. Look, Heather.
Whoa. Get her! Get her! Get her! Shut it!
You feeling warmer, babe?
Huh?
Is it warmer?
No. Sam! 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 What are you doing over there? I want you over here. Yeah! Did you get Sam?
There's Sam.
Yeah!
Sam the dog.
There's Eppie.
Hey, you're getting me wet.
Oh, sorry.
No, that's sand. Yuck. No, Brent.
No, Brent.
You get it all in the water. It gets it all yucky.
Slam dunk! I'll go get something.
Kev.
Oops. Get a shot of this. Oh, wow. Good. Watch this. Kapalooey.
Brent, you got a bug on your back. Hey, Nicholas, wipe that bug off his back, would you?
Sure thing, Alma.
Thanks, babe.
Where's it?
Thanks, dude.
That's okay. I'm careful.
Okay, be careful. Whoa.
Let's stick these four downstairs. They weren't open. They weren't in the cooler on the shelf.
Okay. Kevin, now it's going to tip over. Hey, Brent, give Kevy a kiss, Brent. Give Kevy a kiss.
I'll give you a kiss.
No.
Brent.
Thank you.
What do you feel?
Give Nicholas a kiss.
Want to be on video? Getting a little bit better.
It's getting better. Two more. I think one more ought to be sufficient.
Or one more. Oops. Hey!
Hey, what?
Hey!
Peace. Baby.
Baby.
Baby, baby.
Do it again. Do it again.
Here goes the last shot. He makes it!
Yeah! Crash and burn.
Kevin, it's hot. Watch out. Boo. Boo. Ring around the rosy, popsicle of Bosie, ashes, ashes, you all fall down. Oh, that didn't go down.
Hey, turd.
Can I look out? My eyes. Can I look out? I won't hold it.
No, you're wet. What do you see? There's a big butt going by.
Hi!
Hi, Kevin. Hi, dude. You see Brent?
Yeah.
What's he doing?
Nothing.
Don't jerk. Don't move it around. Okay.
Mama.
Can I do it now?
Okay, what's that?
This is where you gotta look to see. Well, it's all wet now. I wonder how that happened.
My face is not wet.
Couldn't
Can I
be
try
because
it?
you're all wet, could it?
Can I try it?
Dude, you wanna look through it?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, wait a minute. I see wet.
The snakes. The snakes tie you up. The snakes tie you up, Mom.
Yeah, they do.
They make that.
Okay.
What do you do? Go like this. What? Whoa! Where's the big bucket go?
Brent, we're gonna videotape you doing your raggy stuff, so when you're big, we can show this to you.
Hold on, you can't take it. Hold on, Britt. Get a load of it.
Give him the bucket, Nicholas.
I hope you got that shot.
Yeah. We're gonna show that to him when he's big.
Yeah.
Say, see what a turd you were? Ooh, sit down. Woo! Do it. Do it, Kev.
Britt!
Well, that's alright. We can put more water in.
What? He's wiping the water off of my shoulder. What are you gambling? Go. You call me Britt. Are you cold? Then get out of the pool if you're cold. That hits me in the head. Well, then get out of the pool if you're cold, Kevin. Oh, that'd be so funny. Yeah, he's funny. Oh. Kevin, if you're cold, go dry off. Oh.
Hey, Heather, help him a little bit. Woo! Hi. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Brent. Dogs?
Every day. No. Yes, I got you. 49. Woo! Here, Rick. Big bucket head. Here, put it on your head.
Nick, go on, Ebony.
Here's this you'll do it.
I'm gonna do it again.
Do what?
I'm gonna do it again, Mom.
What are you gonna do? You wanna look through the thing?
Yeah.
That's me! I was thinking about you. You already got something. Wow, what a good fight. There! Oh! I think we're out of water. Oh, it's shooting down. What is it? Get us having a water gun fight.
Too far away from each other.
I'm over by mine. You can't shoot me.
Brent, what's Mommy got?
Gina Davis joins us next week.
Woo!